We went to Best Buy. They didn't have it. We had to order it. We have received it. This will be the last clip
You guys see, he recorded
on this
device.
Because we now have what is it?
Our DJI Osmo camera.
Pocket 2 or 3?
2.
Okay.
Pocket 2. So let's see. I think the quality is gonna be really good, right?
Good reviews. We looked at some little trailers of it. Man, I was impressed. I was definitely impressed, and so we'll see the difference in the quality. We're gonna put the different clips together on specifically this video right here. We're actually going to a vegan Mexican truck.
Like a food taco truck.
Yeah, taco truck, but plant-based though. Everything plant-based. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a try. It's gonna be our first time trying it too. Super excited. As you guys can tell, I'm Mexican.
And look who's joining us today.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we're super excited to try that Mexican truck, man. We got some high hopes for it. We'll see what they're working with.
So we'll catch you guys there.
All right, guys. We just pulled up right now to the vegan place. Let's go. So it looks like they didn't bring an actual truck, but it's a little stand. He's 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
Oh my god! They don't grow so much.
No, I breed them. I'm shrinking them.
Oh,
That's why.
my god.
Thank you.
No asada, only pastor and
Ooh, pastor.
atole.
Well, we got the coffee in the car.
Oh, it's so cute.
Thank you.
El perrito va.
Thank you. I sell them. You can buy one. Dang. That's funny. For me, let me get 4 tacos al pastor. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. But regardless, I wanted to try the pastor tacos and I'm getting them, so that's all that matters. All right. Thank you.
Did you guys just get them?
I'm the guy that showed you guys. I'm the breeder. Legacy Bullies.
Okay.
Yeah. Like the Bible again?
He's so what? Let me see. Cute. So he's just a baby.
He's 3 months.
3 months already.
So he's not that much of a baby. I specialize in shrinking them. So I'm shrinking them as much as I
He
can.
wants to become smaller.
I'm trying to make it like miniature French bulldogs.
Like what? Teacup.
There you go. Yeah,
like
exactly.
Like the toy poodles and stuff. So cute. Is he Brazil?
No, no, sorry.
Hey, you gotta ask.
Right?
I know, right? He wants to have an animal farm. I know, I know.
No, that's
we
cool.
found this guy yesterday.
That's so cute.
Anyway, so but when you do breed them and then you do sell them, how much are they? Just
They're kind of pricey, to be honest.
I know I heard they're like 5,500 or they're more.
Yeah, because like I said, I'm shrinking them.
The smaller they get, the more.
Yeah, the smaller they get, the more colorful they get.
Yeah.
They're expensive. So I have one litter that I'm doing. They're going to be from 25 to 35, but they won't be as small. This size, they're going to be 6,000 and up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cute. Oh my god. He's 4 months?
3 months. He's 3
3
months.
months?
Yeah.
3 months, yeah.
Yeah, he's 3 months.
God, you're cute. Okay, do you see how little this dog is?
A French bulldog?
I know my dad is a pug. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, he's coloring. But yeah, he's a Frenchie.
I don't know, like, they kind of literally look like her.
Yeah, they do.
No, those are ones that big old eyes, huh?
Yes.
Which-
And they don't have these ears.
Which ones?
Pugs.
Oh yeah, I think pugs have their ears down.
Oh, you're cute.
You breed them?
Yeah, I breed them.
He's trying to make it smaller.
Yeah, I'm shrinking them as much as I can.
What do they call them, micros or something?
Yeah, they call them micro Frenchies. Yeah.
He's too much.
You
But he's
smart.
not for sale.
That's what they say.
No,
Stop
like,
talking money.
he told them to tell you they're not for sale.
That's funny.
Good one.
Are you keeping that one?
Yeah, he's
the
gonna
smallest
he's
one
gonna be
out
the
of-
smallest one. Yeah, he's actually the smallest one that I've had so far. So
That's why you're gonna keep them.
yeah, he's a stud. So he's definitely gonna stay with me. Yeah, that's the plan.
Did you guys order food from the?
We ordered food, already got a desserts. I had the wet burritos, that was so good.
Did you guys have a lot of people?
Yeah.
There's all day.
That's good. That's
Does she
good.
have any more desserts left?
They're almost sold out of everything already.
Yeah.
That's good though. That's
Get out here
good.
for them. We don't let them. We don't charge them. We let them come for free.
That's
They just
awesome.
feed us.
No, I was telling them. Good thing you guys bring people like that. It's so hard to find vegan places
Yeah.
around here. There's
I
really
know.
nothing.
That's why we do it, because we know.
Yeah, it's hard.
And we're vegan, so it's so hard.
It
You know,
is.
just cook at home, but I mean, it'd be nice to.
Right? Go out
And
every
plus,
once
I
in a
like
while.
people to know, like, vegan food's good.
Yeah.
It really is good, and you know.
They make it fun. They do.
That's awesome.
Planet Vegan makes it fun, and then they
Yes,
make it fun.
they were
Right.
so
Yeah,
good.
they
Do
were
you guys
good
like the?
vegan.
Do you guys come in the donut when Happy Buns is here?
No.
We
Makes vegan
we
donuts.
actually barely turned vegan like 4 months ago.
Oh, okay.
Good for you
Yeah,
guys.
in
so we're
November.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good for you guys.
Yeah, so we're still kind of need to.
It's totally it's hard, but it's well worth it. I think.
No, well, I used to be like 300 pounds. I was huge, and I felt like trash all the time.
Yeah.
And once I transitioned over to vegan, I feel incredible now. I feel
Yeah.
amazing.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, and so I told
Like you
her.
guys feel like that too, right?
Huh?
You guys feel like
Yeah,
that?
you know, I can tell because I'm not, vegan, but I'm trying little by little.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I'll go eat dinner over there, and then I'll eat regular food, you know.
Watch,
And in the
watch
morning,
the,
I
can you
can
watch the
tell the
Game
difference.
Changers?
That's what.
Yeah.
I can tell the difference how I feel.
Yeah.
Right. No,
Game
yeah.
changer.
That's the
What I
Game
ate
Changers
the
right there.
night
Yeah.
before
Yeah.
and what I eat that's
Exactly.
very good.
Yeah, because it's like whenever you would eat meat and stuff like that, right away I'd be like, oh, I want to go lay down. I don't
Like
want to do
I'm ready
nothing.
for a
you know?
nap. I'm tired.
And now that I'm eating vegan, I'm
Yeah.
like, I feel good. Like I
Yeah.
can go work now, you know?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
energized, like it literally
Exactly.
energized.
Yeah, it's
it really
definitely-
does.
there's-
Game Changers was like right
Yeah.
there. Like I said, like what?
Yeah, that's it.
You want me to take a picture of you with him? Huh? You want me to take? Yeah. Can I do?
And some of them have the same names too. Like there's
It's so awesome.
Do you have more or just this one?
I breed them.
Yeah, how much is the price? I know.
Yeah, they, for that small, they start at 6,000.
6,000?
Yeah, 6,000.
I need to think about that, and I need to take the numbers because need to translate all the price to Swedish. Some 6,000 is
Oh.
all like 16 crown, 60,000
There's some
crowns.
cards right there. Check it out.
One.
Instagram.
You can take out. I have a lot of them.
You
It's
have
fine.
more?
Yeah, I have a lot. Don't worry about it. That's my
Also,
Insta.
because I know it's expensive.
Yeah,
Because
they are.
when you do this a lot of work, you cannot sell.
Yeah,
cheaper.
well, the
it
re-
is the braid too, so
Yeah.
it is a price
The-
of the dog.
The reason why they're so expensive is because it took years to make them small.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's why.
I'm
thank,
so scared to. Oh my God, so sweet.
thank you.
It's really beautiful. What
Thank you.
it has name?
Tiki.
Tiki.
Uh-huh.
Okay, guys. So we just got our food. We secured the bag.
motherfucking bag. Oh shit. Oh,
What the
babe,
fuck?
it was my fucking
Your glasses.
Why do you make that noise?
You smashed them, huh? All right. Well, look at this little baby. Oh my gosh. So we'll just hit you guys with a little food vlog right now when we go eat us some more.
Alrighty, daddy, we back. We fucking bag. And we secured the bag. Let's see what we're working with. We're about to fucking show you guys. Oh, we gotta fucking blow out some daily clouds real quick before we eat, though. You already know that.
Alright, let's see what we got. We've been waiting all week for this.
Yeah, we have.
Literally all week.
You guys have no idea how hard it is to find vegan food in a little ass city.
Oh, I forgot to get the rice.
I'm sure it's not hard in the big cities. The little cities, man. Ooh, okay. Hold on, let me turn this around real quick. Let me show you guys what's up.
So,
Mom?
it's so good. Oh my god, babe, that's so good. Ooh, that's
Yeah.
spicy.
Is it? Alright, let me see. Let me show right there. I figured out how to do it. Look at that.
Delicious.
Good stuff. Plant-based, 100% plant-based. Literally eating all plants right there.
And it's the normal ingredients you would get in your crunch wrap. You have a tostada.
Look
You
fucking bomb.
have, the burritos are gonna be fire.
Oh yeah, we got a burrito for later too. Ooh, super excited. We're gonna get super fucking stoned and just eat a fat ass burrito.
I just don't like tomato.
Remember guys, we've only been vegan for about 4 months, so like we haven't had this stuff in a while. So it's nice to be able to have tacos and like Mexican food basically, you know? It's awesome.
And shout out to these people. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
And shout out to the people that, like the owners of the restaurant that think about us, you know?
True.
And that still want us to eat the regular food people eat.
Preach, baby. Preach.
And they don't make us feel left out.
What's the store?
It's called Jaka Mobile.
I said the store.
What store?
Sayas.
Oh, Sayas. Yeah, shout out to Sayas.
Yeah,
Visalia.
Sayas are the ones that bring these vegan places to their store. And the place that actually sold the food is Jaka's what?
Mobile.
Oh, Jaka's Mobile. Everything's made out of jackfruit, so it makes sense, you know? But anyways, guys, it's time to eat. So, peace!
He likes green and I always get red. Salsa. Okay there. Yum. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't pay for horchata, huh? Because they were out. Yeah, I thought I did. I was going to be mad.
Wow.
It's good?
It tastes like a fucking apaso taco.
Really?
Dead ass.
Yay, I'm excited for my burrito then. It's actually jackfruit, you guys. It's not real meat. It's jackfruit.